Revolvers have always been popular in America, but some revolvers get more recognition than others. What are those models that have earned their place at the top? What makes these revolvers stand out? Join us as we explore America's most popular revolvers and discover what makes them so popular. The Heritage Rough Rider is one of the most beloved revolvers in America that deserves a closer look. It's a classic revolver that brings a touch of the Old West, all while staying within your budget. It comes in two calibers, AT2LR for affordability and AT22 Magnum for a bit more power. You can easily swap between these two calibers based on your shooting needs. When talking about its build quality, the revolver is constructed using an aluminum frame, which makes it extremely lightweight and easier to handle, while the blued carbon steel barrel and cylinder provide durability for reliable performance. The grips are a real standout. They are not only about stunning aesthetics, but also give you that classic Western feel while ensuring a comfortable hold. The hammer block feature is a safety element of this revolver, which really gives you peace of mind by preventing accidental discharges, ensuring your revolver remains safe to carry and handle, even if it's dropped. The red dot indicator is another user-friendly feature that lets you know exactly when your revolver is ready to fire, ensuring smooth and safe operation. If you want to enjoy a piece of history, the Heritage Rough Rider is a gun worth considering. The Ruger Vaquero is a true standout in the list of America's most beloved guns. It's a perfect blend of old and new that incorporates the timeless appeal of the U.S. military revolvers but with modern upgrades. The revolver uses some advanced manufacturing techniques and modern steel to make it one of the most durable firearms available today. Its all-steel frame is built to withstand the power and pressure of Magnum cartridges, so it keeps up with the demands of modern performance. The transfer bar ignition system is a game-changer when it comes to the safety of the firearm, preventing the revolver from firing unless the trigger is fully pulled. This feature gives you the confidence to carry the weapon with all 6 chambers loaded, knowing you have an extra layer of security with you. The sights are rock solid and will stay within your alignment no matter what. It includes the rear sight notch that is milled directly into the revolver's solid top strap, and the low-profile front sight that is fixed firmly to the barrel, making sure it remains steady. The Ruger Vaquero is always ready to impress with its iconic style and exceptional performance. Are you ready to add a piece of history to your collection? Consider the Colt Python, which is one of the most iconic revolvers ever made. Crafted from durable stainless steel alloy, the revolver is a perfect blend of reliability and elegance. It boasts a mirror-like finish that adds to the beauty of this gun, while adding a layer of protection against rust and corrosion. And let's not forget the wooden grips with a classic checkering pattern that keeps your grip secure and comfortable, while enhancing the overall style. The trigger is known to be exceptionally smooth with the most satisfying pulls, contributing to greater accuracy. The sighting system is something that takes your shooting to the next level. Whether you are targeting up close or shooting at a distance, it includes an adjustable rear sight that lets you fine-tune your aim to match your shooting style, and a ramp front sight that makes acquiring your targets easy. With various configurations to offer, the Colt Python is highly flexible and allows you to pick the variant that fits your needs. The Colt Python is a fantastic piece of history that is a must-have for revolver collectors. All right, folks, that officially wraps up our deep dive into these incredible revolvers. These magnificent wheel guns have absolutely positively earned their cherished place as America's darlings. And after seeing them all, it's not hard to understand why they're so wildly popular. Wouldn't you just love to get your hands on one of these beauties and feel that classic power? Let us know which one stole your heart, or if you already own one, tell us your favorite feature in the comments section down below. Thanks a million for tuning in today. We really appreciate you hanging out with us. We'll be back real soon with even more exciting firearm reviews. So until then, stay safe, keep those chambers clear, and we'll catch you next time.